Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will show you how to make your PC broadcast internet in Windows 10. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to share your internet connection with other devices seamlessly. So, let's dive right in. Step 1. Start by pressing the Start button located in the bottom left corner of your screen. This will open up the Start menu. Step 2. Next, click on the Settings icon, which resembles a gear. This will take you to the Windows Settings menu. Step 3. Within the Settings menu, locate and click on the Network and Internet section. This will open up various network-related options. Step 4. From the left pane, select Mobile Hotspot. This is where you'll configure your PC's hotspot settings. Step 5. Here, you have several settings to choose from. First, under Share My Internet Connection From, select the connection you want to share with other devices. Step 6. If you wish to customize your hotspot, press the Edit button. This will allow you to change the hotspot's name and password according to your preference. Step 7. Additionally, if both your PC and the device you want to connect to have Bluetooth capabilities, you can enable Turn On Remotely. This will automatically activate the hotspot when both devices are in proximity. Step 8. Now, toggle on the slider next to Share My Internet Connection with other devices. This will enable the broadcasting of your hotspot. Fantastic! Your PC is now broadcasting its internet connection. Other devices within range will be able to see your hotspot and connect to it by entering the correct password. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to make your PC broadcast internet in Windows 10. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Until next time, take care and happy browsing.